Hello viewers, it's me Kulsum Ahmed. Today we are going to learn about factors of production. There are 4 factors of production. These are land, labor, capital and enterprise. When we combine all these 4 factors of production, we get the output. So these are known as the inputs. Let's start with the first input, that is land. All the things which will fall under the category of land are all natural resources such as minerals, forests, water and unimproved land are the types of land resource. Now let's talk about the labor resource. In the labor resource, the physical and mental talent that people use for the production of anything, that will be the labor source. So there are 3 types of labor source: the ones who are very skilled, who are unskilled and who are semi-skilled. Skilled workers are the ones who have particular knowledge and ability to perform certain tasks. So they are the ones who have technical abilities. They have gone through certain universities to gain that knowledge. An unskilled worker is the one who does the manual work. So they are the packager, assembler and apprentice performer or farm workers. They don't need to learn about certain reasoning and intellect. They are just doing the manual work. Then comes the semi-skilled workers. Semi-skilled workers are the ones who do the work which are judged by other people. So they are going to perform certain tasks which are going to be deputed on them. So that they are going to perform that particular task. Then comes the capital resource. So produced goods that can be used as inputs for further production, such as factories, machinery, tools, computers and buildings are types of capital resource. So these are used for the production of other things. When for example, when we are going to use that machinery and we do production process on that machinery will be the type of capital resource. Then comes the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the one who is the mastermind, who is the one who is the risk taker. He is the one to combine these 4 factors of production to get certain output. So entrepreneur is the main person. Without him, no business can exist. Then comes let's take an example. The example is of building a hospital. To build a hospital, first of all we require certain land area where the hospital will be built. Then comes the labor, all the technical staff, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, the ones who are peons over there, all these people are going to fall under the labor resource or human resource category. Then comes capital, all the equipment that we require, the machineries that we require, x-ray machine, laser machine and so many things which we use in hospitals. So these are the capital resources that we require, and financial resource as well. With the help of money we are going to get all these things. So financial resource as well as physical resource, these 2 type of capitals are required to make the hospital. Then comes the entrepreneur, who is the one who is going to put all these 4 things together to get the output. So the hospital is the ultimate product or ultimate unit that we want to establish. So for establishing that thing, we will have to combine all these 4 factors to get that. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.